Hi everybody, this is Tracy at True Nature Childcare. I am showing you guys a plant that you might find if you're going on a lot of walks in the neighborhood or even in your backyard. It's called miner's lettuce. I'm holding some in my hand and you can see here it's got these funny looking leaves with the little flower buds at the top. It's very short to the ground and it grows kind of from a central. If you pull one of them up, you'll find there's a bunch of leaves coming out of one central place right there. When in doubt, always consult a good plant ID book. But this plant makes excellent pesto. So if you go put this in a food processor with some garlic, olive oil, it's really yummy. And it's also really great just as a salad like this. So I highly recommend that you try it once you've identified it properly and share it with your family. Bye.